Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, in this matter, I beg Mona help me share this video. This our little brother, this small boy, he need help. You understand? My darling people, this boy need help, I beg. Anybody will see this video not go too long. Anybody will see the video so that I'm gonna watch it from the start to the end. I beg. This small boy say the problem we in guilt. We in there 4 years. Now the thing, he said the thing does start since. He go the shit for body, in the pee for body. But you don't know why the thing they always come. You don't really know why. You understand? So he say when in dey 4 years, the mama think say in the purposely do one. Mama come begin the beat input. And very intelligent boy, I beg. But we will not let this boy waste like that. He say anytime where he think this thing, either may he just kill himself, may he himself, now they always they come in mind. I beg, my darling people, may this small boy not just waste like that. I beg, may we help this boy. Please, he account number dey there, he number dey there to call him too. So anything we want to do for this boy, we want to do for him, I beg. This small boy need help badly. He say because they say only way to go fit treat this thing, not to fly and go abroad, India and I don't know. And then they go do the operation. Now Pampers now in the rear now. This boy don't be small picking again. And very intelligent. When you say somebody they intelligent, even when they talk, I go put the video more na see. Very intelligent guy. So that make we don't want to make this boy waste like that. So we need to really help this boy. I beg my darling people. Anybody will see this video, may they help me share them. Because this intelligent boy don't go just waste like that. And they say that's also first now in the carry for class. Even I said very intelligent before I say somebody they intelligent. You know, so a very young guy, he need this help. So anybody will get any donation to give him, my account number there. He number there too if you want to call him. You understand? So this small boy, he not go just waste like that. He really need our help, my darling people. So anybody will go feel help this boy, beg, make he help him. This small boy need help, really. He need help badly. This will not be the one way be say person go they joke or not be only nonsense people go they wash. But this one they very important. Very important. I beg my darling people. I need to want to think about this video. More na leave on a comment or more na help this boy or I beg. May this boy not waste like that. I beg. We not get picking where they waste. Very intelligent guy. They know what this boy want become. And they give him this sickness. And now only abroad now they will free do this thing. They need to fly him. And they need money. You understand? For this kind of small boy can't talk a story like this. My darling people. You know say the thing don't really pass Joromi. So we need all Nigerians, all the good Nigerians, everybody will really get a pity mind. May we help this boy. This boy need our help. He need our help, my darling people. Please, may we help the boy. This boy not go just waste like that. We're not going to leave this boy may waste. Lie. You lie. I trust our Nigeria people say they don't they ever carry last for this kind of thing. So we really need to help this boy. Please, my darling people. The whole world need to help this boy. Everybody need to help this boy. This boy, the problem when he gets, they shit for body, they piss for body. That be the problem. So not be waiting. I know say before they can ever come out. Your mama don't carry and go to different churches, everything. Before doctor come discover and say, what did they do? And so not to carry and to fly and go abroad. You understand? So now be the problem. So my darling people. Please, I will put the video more watched by myself. More see what I talk about.
My name is Adeleke Adepodun. I am 11 years old and I'm here to tell you about my life story. I am a child that God has blessed with intelligence and my parents are always proud of me. From primary 1 to JS1. God has given me the grace of carrying first position in my class till date. But since I was born, there are some strange things that used to happen to me. It makes me feel bad and makes me cry a lot. It makes me feel like I'm out of this world. It embarrasses me among my family, my classmates, and my friends. Sometimes I feel like killing myself, but I don't want to hurt my parents because they love me so much. I'm so ashamed of myself of saying it, but if I don't say it, it's possible I might not be free from this problem. Let me spill it out for the world so that they can cover my shame. As you are seeing me, I normally pull and weave on my body without knowing. Since I was given birth to, when I was 4 years old, my mom used to beat me because she thought I was doing it purposely until I was taken to the doctor. So the doctor told my parents that they should run some tests on me. The results came in and they found out that I don't normally feel it when I want to poo or wee. That they need to take me out of the country for surgery, and it's going to cost us 24 million naira. Please, no amount is too small. I will appreciate any amount any one of you can give me. This is my account number for those who want to help me. 31501764 Echo Bank, Derayo, Unorom. Once again, 31501764 Echo Bank, Derayo, Unorom. For those who want to call me to hear my voice, this is my number: 08133776374. Once again, 08133776374. For those who want to help me, thank you. God will bless you and have a blessed day.